1. What is the pH value of human blood? A. 7.40. B. 7. Circa 0. D. 8. A. 2. The rarest blood group is __. A. O negative. B. B negative. Century AB positive. D. AB negative. The metal present in the hemoglobin is __. A. Copper. B. Calcium. C. Iron. D. Aluminium. Four. Age of fishes was known as __. A. Devonian. B. Ordovician. C. Crustaceous. D. Silurian. Five. The metal present in the chlorophyll is __. A. Calcium. B. Aluminium. C. Zinc. D. Magnesium. And D. So these are the top 5 questions from biology. If you really like my video, then subscribe it.